The world over, virtually every form of packaging is getting lighter, thinner, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. And so it is with a whole new generation of pallet stretch wrap, STC Lite. STC Lite truly is the next generation of pallet stretch film, which makes wrapping easier and more cost-effective. It also enables users to reduce their environmental impact due to a lighter film weight and its recycling capability. Crucially, STC Lite offers all this without sacrificing wrap strength, quality, performance, or load integrity. Sometimes, less is more. It certainly is with STC Lite. Offering the same levels of load stability and product protection as a traditional 14 or 17 micron film, STC Lite is manufactured to an incredible 7 micron gauge. This means you use less film by weight for a given load. STC Lite is a pre-stretch pallet wrap film. In practical terms, this means that you get more film per roll. Not only does this mean you get more for your money, but it also ensures that fewer film deliveries are needed, contributing to a reduction in delivery miles and associated vehicle emissions. Again, because STC Lite is thinner, you get twice as much on a roll, so you can wrap approximately double the number of pallets per reel compared to a traditional film. Despite being considerably thinner, STC Lite remains incredibly strong and offers greater load integrity once a pallet is wrapped. Even though it's thinner, STC Lite is no more likely to break or puncture. Developed using the latest manufacturing technology, STC Lite remains resistant to tears or puncture, even on sharp edges. Because STC Lite is a pre-stretch wrap, it doesn't need the same effort to be applied when wrapping. This means less effort is required and there's less risk of accident or injury. This also makes it easier for female or junior operatives to apply the correct amount of tension. When unwrapping pallets, there's less film to dispose of when the load is finally unpacked. In fact, compared to a traditional stretch wrap, it means that only around half the film by volume and weight needs to be disposed of. STC Lite is 100% recyclable and can be processed through standard industrial recycling facilities. STC Lite doesn't need stretching to anything like the same degree as a traditional stretch wrap. Consequently, it doesn't neck down like traditional stretch films, which effectively reduces the width of the film. And so, because STC Lite is effectively wider as it's applied, it requires fewer wraps around the pallet. This also further increases reel yield and wraps more pallets per reel. Due to STC Lite requiring less effort and stretch during application, it can also be applied much faster. So, in the time it would have taken to wrap a full pallet with STC Lite, you would only get to about here with a traditional stretch wrap. STC Lite is also more user-friendly around the workplace. Its soft winding characteristics mean it's not wound as tightly onto the reel, and so the reel edges are unlikely to be damaged if dropped. This in turn makes the film less likely to tear during application. Unlike other films, STC Lite is stacked end-on, not side-on, so any weight or damage is taken by the reel and not by the film itself. And don't think that STC Lite is just a specialist film used only for certain applications. It can be used to wrap a wide variety of loads and offers the same outstanding strength, load stability and pallet protection as traditional films. So, all in all, STC Lite really is a greener choice, a better choice, and above all, a smarter way to wrap loads.
you.